Hello guys, what is going on? My name is Symmetrix. Welcome to our video. Now today we will be recreating Drake's Scorpion album that I did. This is not the official artwork. This is not the official album art, but I played a little bit, and this is what I came up with, and it's really cool. And I thought, why not? Why the hell not? I can show you this how I did it, and yeah. Because I love Drake so much, I will make this tutorial. So, first off, we have Photoshop file 1080 by 1080. So you go 1080 by, I'll copy that 1080. You click OK and you will get this here. Click on that log button right here, so it's everything good. Now I have my folder here, which is parental advisory explicit content, which is on probably every rap album or hip-hop album art. We have here in my feelings challenge Drake here. Let me just show you this here. We will remove this just a bit, and we have the stars right here. Now first off, I'm going to make, and yeah, for this video you will need font called Wide Latin Regular. I will leave the link down below so you can download it, so you don't really need to go on the Google and search for it. So yeah, let's get right into it. So we will pick color second black. It's like 95% gray, and we will stretch it out like here. Right now we have this. We can close this up for the sake and we will, of course, first we need to make this here. As you can see, this here is really easy to make. First off, you will need to type in Scorpion. Now Scorpion, make it a little bit wider like that, bigger. White, you can also do it with black, but I will do it with white right now. If you want some other, yeah, so basically we'll go to rectangle tool and second rectangle tool, rounded rectangle, click that, and now stretch it like that, and now what we need to do, because we don't need fill, so we will remove fill, and we will basically go and make this white and make it 5 pt. Click enter, click this, and now we have this. Okay guys, so this is basically it. You can play around just to center it. I will group that holding shift and clicking left click on Scorpion, Control G on Windows of course, and I will call that Scorpion logo. Now what we need to add in this Scorpion logo is, again, text Drake. Well, a little bit smaller, and I will add that to the center right here. Now I will make that as a Scorpion logo right here. So this is the Scorpion logo right here. Let me just center it like that. Now what we need to add is, we will need to add a parent. Actually, we'll go with Drake first. Now this is the picture that I found that is really kind of good for this thing right here. Now let me just see on this album art. I did have kind of blackish, but I just wanted to extract the color just because I don't think this is copy color hex code. I will go here, blending options, color overlay, and I will paste this code. Yeah, it's gray, so it's okay. You don't need to change anything. Right now we will need to drag this down like that, and right now I will need to drag this a little bit down and a little bit smaller like that, and I will delete, I'll click left click OK, and I will delete this here like that. Don't worry if it's like this, you will see how we can apply that. Now go here and let me just see. So you can click left click, and then with scroll wheel you see how I'm changing. Yeah, so basically we need to find lighten, which is quality really good for this kind of image, and as you can see, everything disappears from the side, and it's really cool. And now we can actually make it like that. We can actually, yeah, like this. I think this is kind of cool, like that. And now what we need to do is add stars. Now this is stars. We can add it like this, we can add it like this. You can play around with it, you know, just like I'm playing around right now. And again, as you can see on this, let me just, you have stars behind and it's quite good. So we can do it like this, we can actually like that. We will see. Yeah, like this, lighten, again lighten. And now I'll go with left click on it, okay, with the eraser tool, and I will erase on the Drake, just because we don't need stars on the Drake. Yeah, he's already a star, so yeah. Just kidding. But anyways, like that. So you just click around a little bit so it's not that bright stars. We don't need that bright stars. And yeah, basically this is it. I mean, you just add a parental advisory right here, a little bit down, like that, a little bit up. And you can also click on it, and let's say we can choose lighten for the sake of this tutorial. Although this is not lighten, I don't really like this glow around it, so I just set it like this. And this is basically Drake Scorpion album art that I created. Again, it's not the official art, but that I created. It's really like, you can create this under 1 minute if you're really good at Photoshop. I mean, you don't really need to be good to create this. You can create this in under 2 minutes. So for anyone, it's pretty nice. And yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this. More tutorials are coming in on my channel, and thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.